Check this out, guys. If you are stuck, an app's gone gray on you and you don't know what to do, force stop and clear the cache or clear data are your three options. You could just try just unplug the stick and plug it back in. It might work. It's probably your fourth option or maybe your first. In order to force stop your application, head over to the settings icon, the far right corner, and then come down and look for applications under the settings. When you're in applications, you got a couple of options here. There's photos, app store, offloading on or off, and then manage install applications. Click on it. So find your application that could be causing troubles. Let's say it's Netflix or another movies and TV shows application. Does it all the time. Trust me, it's done it forever and it will continue to do it forever. Click on the application. Now we have permissions, launch app, force stop. If we click force stop, it's like shutting it down on your phone, you know, when you swipe to the right or left or up or whatever it is, or close all apps. That'll automatically force it to turn off. Most of the Firestick applications are always on in the background unless you do a full power reset, like unplug your Fire TV stick, or this is the only other option. It's not like you can swipe up on your app phone or on your Apple phone and just clear all the apps on it. You can always uninstall and reinstall it. Now clear data. If you clear the data, this will remove everything. If you have passwords previously watched, stuff that doesn't get stored on the cloud will be removed. And it says all application data, like I've clicked on it, all application data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and databases. So anything that I have local on Netflix here will be gone. So we can say gone. Now it's restarted. I'm not sure if I was even logged into that Netflix, but if the size, cache size and stuff like that probably would have diminished quite a bit, especially in that storage. Like the application is going to take up room, but the app data itself, you may see a significant drop in storage space. And then we have clear cache. Clear cache is kind of like just a quick reset, just clears any little memory that's in behind that you don't need. It won't clear passwords, it won't clear previous watched. It just clears any kind of background stuff that's in the way. You can always reset to default. That is about it. Outside of, like I said, unplugging your Fire Stick. If you don't want to do that, get in behind the wall and unplug it if it's hard to get to. You can always do that. The last option would be go to the home screen, hold down your home and start pause button with the select button, and then it powers it off automatically. This will do a force restart on your Fire TV stick. Hopefully it alleviates any of those problems that you may have. I've also seen some network issues, so this might fix that too. All right, cool. Peace. Enjoy your Fire Stick. Take care. Happy streaming.